upside breakout, buy call, green color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Right now it's a buy call, buy signal, green color candle open. Yesterday, before market closing, a sell call started. Can you see that red color candle? That is where the sell call begin. That momentum followed today also. Today it's a gap down opening and continuous downside direction. Once market start to move in upper side direction, a breakout happen, buy call, buy signal. So now the green color candle open. Like this, it happens automatically. So it will give the entry, target, stop loss. Through these entries, you can do manual trade as well as auto trade. Like connecting your broker account to this chart, you can do the auto trading also. If you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide the plan details. Today it's October 3rd market, Thursday market. We are watching in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, and it's like after 2:50 am the breakout happened. The buy call came, so the green color candle open. The buy at 52,348. That is our entry line. Can you see that straight white line from green candle? That is our entry line. Above line our target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So from 348 to 479, it's almost like more than a 130 point first target range. In first 4 candle, 4 minute, it successfully break out a 100 point momentum. After a volatile, it break out the first target range also. So within 10 minutes of trading, a call generated and break out the target. T2 300 at the money option we are watching. The buy call came at 258 and market move all the way to 300. Like this you can change script. In the money, at the money, out of the money. Through changing script also you can get the signal. Through the signal you can do your intraday trading. If you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.